Hello, I'm Alexis Elisa Macedo. I say my full name because it is worth every letter, and I'm an unapologetic, produced and published Chicana playwright and performer, and the game maker behind Chicana Legend. Lulu embarks on an epic video game coming-of-age adventure to become a Chicana legend, the ultimate inspiration to her community. Lulu must make good choices, combat small-town chisme, and defend her family's reputation, all with the weight of the community on her shoulders. No pressure, right? But just as Abuela's warned her, one little mistake and it's game over. No cheat codes, no starting over. Will Lulu rise to the challenges of each level, or will she become a Chicana myth? Press start to find out. This piece means so much to me. Not only is this the representation I want for my community, but I'm giving little brown girls a story that I wish I had growing up. As a Chicana in today's world, I constantly feel like I'm playing a game that was not designed for me to win. And I put this piece in the world of a video game because I wanted to physicalize those struggles and those battles, and also the victories. I also believe the world of this video game has given audiences a community vocabulary, from abuelas to niños to video game nerds to noobs. Everyone has something they can celebrate within this piece. Lulu's ancestors have sacrificed so much for her to be a success, and I really identify with that, and I am just so grateful every day that I am my ancestors' wildest dreams. I am so excited to announce that the never-before-seen full-length version of Chicana Legend is receiving a world premiere at SheATL Arts 2023 Summer Theater Festival. Calm down, we have the rest of the video to shoot. This is the next big step in this piece's journey, and I need your help to make it happen. Your generosity will support paying my cast and creative team for their time and their talents, props, set, costume, the whole enchilada, everything that we need to bring this piece to life. Your donation is also an easy and special way to support an emerging Chicana playwright, Chicano theater, female-led theater, all Latina cast. Now I'm just bragging. I am so grateful for this opportunity, and on behalf of the amazing team that I have standing with me, please share with your communities. We really can't do this without you. Truly, any amount makes a huge difference. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you'll show your support.